Hi everybody, I just wanted to make this quick tutorial to show you how you should access VoiceThread so that you can create your presentation. So I'm in our course, I'm going to content. As I mentioned, we're going to scroll to week 16, April 27th through May 1st. And this final content item in this folder is the detailed instructions as well as the rubric. Notice that I have updated it for 200 points possible in accordance with what we decided this morning. I should say you as a class decided this morning that you wanted to have this worth more points and forego the final exam. This is the instructions laid out here, but then if you click, this is actually a link that will take you to a voice thread that I have recorded. It's just a very brief, you see 16 seconds long. I'm not going to play it for you in this demonstration, but you can just hit that big triangle to play, and then it will it will play the recorded audio that I have recorded there. But what you will need to do is click this X right here.
Submit your presentation.
That's not what I was trying to do. Click the X is what I was trying to do. And then how you will submit your own is right here, this create function. And if you scroll, what you'll see is you can add media. You can upload a file. Let's say that you create a PowerPoint and then you want to talk over that PowerPoint. Many, but certainly not all of you, will probably opt for that choice. How you would do that is you'll go here, you'll click on my computer, and then you'll just find a file. So for instance, I'm just going to find this Chapter 5 development PowerPoint, going to open it, and then what that will do is it will load it into the voice thread. And then in order to come back into that file that you have created, you have to go back out into our course, access that voice thread that you just created, and then you'll go back and edit that. And when you edit it, you will have options. I'm going to show you, I'm going to actually go back out of that. And for instance, here's one that I created. You'll do this plus sign here. So this is where I've uploaded some PowerPoint slides as a file. And when you click on that plus sign, it will allow you to either type a comment, you can use your phone. Most of you probably won't do that. You can just do an audio comment, or you can do video if you would like to be visible, or you can upload, let's say that you have written something in a different file, you can also upload another file that way. And so those two elements are how you will utilize VoiceThread in order to complete this assignment. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to email me. Thanks.